Hi guys, it's me, Nurse Yan. Another day, another vlog. At ang content natin ngayon ay ang International AIDS Candlelight Memorial Day. This May 19, 2024, people worldwide will honor the International AIDS Candlelight Memorial or IACM. IACM is a moment for everyone to honor those who have lost their lives to AIDS and to spread awareness of the disease in the community. This year's celebrations has put people first, kandila ng pagkalinga, liwanag ng pag-asa, as its local team. Sa bayan ng Hermosa, kaisa kami sa programang ito. Bawat buhay ay mahalaga. Ang mga barangay sa bayan ng Hermosa, kasama ang Hermosa RHU at HEPO Hermosa RHU sa pagsuporta ng programang ito. Pinangunahan ng masisipag nating nurses, midwives, doctors, healthcare workers, DOH, HRH ng Hermosa at ng mga barangay officials. Nagsagawa ng health teachings, HIV AIDS awareness campaign, safe sex health teachings at higit sa lahat, isang taimtim na panalangin para sa kababayan nating naging biktima ng sakit na ito. Lagi nating tandaan, bawat buhay ay mahalaga. Stop HIV now. A road to a healthy Hermosa community. Until my next vlog, bye!
Kami ay sumusuporta sa Let's Stop HIV Together.